Here is the air handler. I'm just gonna take a look at the filter. And the filter actually does not look too bad. Not bad at all. I don't even know what brand this is. There we go. Dust Fighter 95. It is quite possible that that is the filter that came with the house when it was built back in '94. And I think this house had a York when it was originally built. There is the Trianco heat maker Mark II. And that is where the boiler ties into the air handler right there. And I believe that is the return air duct for one of the guest bedrooms. Yeah, that's the return. That is the regular, or whatever you want to call it, duct where the air actually comes out. And then when my grandmother bought the house, this was just unfinished storage back here. It had the ductwork running through it, but there was no hole cut in the duct. And the company, actually, you know what, I don't know who the heck did that. It might have been my uncle, it might have been some contractor from around here, but one of them cut a hole in the ductwork for that room back there when we turned it into a guest room. And I wonder where this goes. Expansion tank. And I am pretty sure the Trianco is original to the house. And there is the Rheem electric water heater. 87 gallons. Or no, 80. 80 gallon. Rheem. My battery finally died. As I was saying, here is the water heater. Rheem Vanguard 80-gallon electric water heater. And I'm trying to get an idea of where I am in proximity to the heat pump. The basement stairs are back on the other side. That's near where the master bedroom is. Oh yeah, the Goodman's all the way back in the opposite direction. Alright, I'll be back. Let's see what the heat pump looks like. It is definitely not as loud as it was that first time I filmed it. And yep, it's frozen again. In that same spot. In terms of the sound it's making, it seems to be running fine, but there is something wrong with it. I know it. And the air coming out of the vents in the house is warm. Alright, let's go see what the thermostat says. I'll be back. And it has been running for I don't know how long, and the temperature has not gone up at all. Don't know what's wrong with it.